Hello, this is Annalisa from Creative Curious Learning and Living, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be giving you all the laundry motivation, folding clothes, putting a load of clothes into the wash. We recently got these new laundry organizers. So we have the bigger one for clean clothes and then a smaller one for dirty clothes, and it has changed how we do laundry. We have these big laundry baskets and we have a small home, we have a small space, and they were so heavy to carry around our space, and if we didn't get to the laundry right away, they were in the way, and when the laundry was put away, we had no place for them. So we got creative, we ordered these laundry systems off of Amazon, and it has changed the way we do laundry. When we have not put the laundry away, the laundry baskets have a home, and when the laundry is put away, the laundry baskets have a home, and then we organize all of the laundry when we are sorting it and folding it into these smaller laundry baskets here. And these ones, if the kids haven't put their laundry away right away, they are not in the way as much as the big laundry baskets. So that is that, and it has changed the way we do laundry. This is also a collab hosted by Sunday Dawn over at The Helpful Home. This is the Tiny Tidy Tuesday collab. I'll have a link to Sunday Dawn's channel down below, along with the playlist. So every Tuesday we get together to bring you cleaning motivation, small tasks around your home to make a difference in your home and help you tackle those things on your to-do list and give you a little bit of cleaning motivation for your week. So I'm going to put on some music and I will be back in a little bit. Okay, so here is all of the laundry organized, and over here, so I need to put these dishcloths away in the kitchen, and then there's some baby clothes, and these clothes here go to the bathroom. It's baby clothes and towels and washcloths, and then that is my husband's and my stuff, and then the other kids' stuff. So my 7-year-olds, then he's almost 7, then my 4-year-olds, and then my 9-year-olds, and they will put their stuff away by themselves. My boys can't put their stuff away themselves, and then my daughter, I will hand the stuff to her to put it away. So now it is getting it away. There is still a few more clothes in the washing machine too, and some loads to do because my 6-year-old here, he still has some more clothes that I could put away. So now I'm going to put on another load of clothes through the washing machine, and honestly, I don't separate my clothes. I put all of the kids' clothes, all of our clothes in. I will separate bedding and towels, but our clothes have lasted by doing this. Everybody will have their own way of doing things and getting things done, but this works for us. Less sorting, less hassle. Like if we get something new that's red, I'm definitely going to separate it and put it on with like similar colors, but that is that, and we're going to get some more music going now. That is all for today's video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel. Here on my channel, I share homeschool journey, cleaning motivation, home decor, sensory bins, and more. So if you like that kind of content, definitely stick around. Don't forget to check out Sunday Dawn's channel and the playlist link down below for more tiny tidies. This was definitely a mighty tidy. It's tiny as I tackle one laundry bin at a time, but mighty as I've got 4 kids. We are a family of 6, so it definitely takes time and it is a lot, but tackling it one laundry bin at a time and changing up our laundry system has definitely helped. So thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye for now.